Hello, Germ Avengers. This is Matt, secretly Hands Washer, and today I will be discussing one of your questions. Are hand soaps really 99.9% effective against germs? Let's find out. Hand washing is like playing the claw machine, where the toy you want is a germ and the claw is a soap molecule. The soap molecule attaches on the germ, grabs it, and teams up with other soap molecules to remove the germ. Now, does soap really do this 99.9% of the time? Well, the answer is it's not true, since it would depend if the individual will properly wash their hands, and there are studies that show that using soaps do not guarantee the full removal of germs from our hands. However, it is still important for us to know how to properly wash our hands in order to remove some of these germs. So remember to always practice hand washing in order to be protected from germs that may harm you. If you want to learn more, you could join us in our hero meeting that will be announced soon. For now, I will see you guys soon. Goodbye!